Nobody is going to give you anything that you have not earned. Nobody cares how tough your upbringing was. Nobody cares if you suffered some discrimination. And moreover, you have to remember that whatever you've gone through, it pales in comparison to the hardships previous generations endured, and they overcame them. And if they overcame them, you can overcome them too.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to show you step by step exactly how you can make $100 to $1,000 every week from the part-time of your home, from just your cell phone and your computer. It's not rocket scientist. I'm just going to pull the curtains back and just show you exactly how I'm able to do this, and my team is able to do this as well. So let's go ahead and come over here to my chart. So this is exactly how I make $1,000 or more every week. People, only thing you need, you want to be like me, just get you a product, get you something, get you a service, get you some affiliate links, or just start branding yourself. I use all three. I have products and services, I have affiliate links, and I'm branding my company and my other businesses as well. You guys, you have to get you something if you want to make the money online. You got to get something, especially like affiliate links. Affiliate links are so easy. They're easy because you can go sign up for affiliate from anybody and everybody, like Walmart, Amazon, eBay. You could do Macy's, you could do Kroger, you could do, it's a lot of places that does affiliate marketing, especially if you love your place or whatever. Affiliate marketing is just good. I know I'm getting off subject, but yeah, that's all I have. I have a product, and then I have pre-written ads for me in my back office that are proven and convert at the highest level. So I have picture ads, and of course I'm learning how to make video ads, and then I have text ads, regular text. And I usually give those away for free, but I have these ads already made for me, so I don't have to go create no ad. I don't have to really go do no thinking on those tasks because I already have it. And the next thing, once I get my ad that I want, and first I've got my product, and then I got my ad that I want to post, I post it to social media. I come over here to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. I post it on Craigslist. I post my ads everywhere on social media, because you know why? Because social media is free. I don't get charged to pay nothing, man. It's free. Why would I want this free advertising? This free advertising. It's 1 billion people on Facebook, it's 1 billion people on Instagram, it's 1 billion people on Twitter, and it's a lot of million people that's on Craigslist that's looking for opportunities just like my products or service or whatever. I got something for them, and that's exactly what you probably would need as well. But once I post my ad to these social media accounts, usually the ad gonna go crazy. People gonna be engaging. They're gonna be asking how, what, when, where, how. So once they start asking questions, I usually just send them straight to a landing page. Whatever product or service that I have or that I'm offering, I send it straight to a landing page. I don't miss this step. A lot of marketers miss this step, but I'm letting you know, I don't miss this step. My team don't miss this step, because you're definitely going to need this information, because most of the time people ain't going to buy the first time they see something, or even, they see your opportunity or they see your services. They're going to go home and talk home with the husband or wife. They're going to go home and talk about whatever that you're trying to offer, or you just gonna go. People are just not gonna buy the first time. So, but we need that information so we can be able to follow up. And so, but once we get that information, once they see our ad, they ask for information. We send them to our capture page or our landing page, and then we send them to our product. And the product should be awesome enough that it should close itself. You shouldn't have to put in no more work, because you already peeped the interest. You gave it one more extra step by they had to give up their information. So that's an extra step. And then we showed the product. And then, like I said, most times people's not going to join the first time they see it. Now, granted, some people will join the first time they see your opportunity, because they might just been ready. But Most of the time they're not. So, but in the case they're not, we're always prepared for that. So then we just go to email follow-up because we got their name, email, and phone number. Sometimes we call them as well, just depends on what product and service that I have at the time. But 99% of the time, they're always going to get an email right after they put this information in, and then every day after that for a good, I would say, a long time, probably a couple of months until they buy. Just depends on who the person is or if they unsubscribe to my list. If they unsubscribe, it's cool, but if they on the list, they're gonna get something pretty much daily, and that's why our team teaches as well to stay consistent. We got to stay consistent with all this stuff. So, but let alone, that is just this system, this method. Excuse me. This is the method that I'm using daily, that is making, a couple $100 every day and every week. Now, you're saying this is the main kicker, another main kicker people be slipping on right here. Your product right here. It has to be more than $100 to make $1,000 a week. It has to be more than $100 because you only need 10 people to make $1,000 in a week if you have 100. Say if your product $100, but imagine if your product was $1,000. How many people a week do you need? Just one. But some people don't have this type of product. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of y'all just don't believe in yourself. You don't believe in your work. You don't believe in yourself. You don't believe you can make $1,000 off of so easily, so say. But online marketing has changed lives just by offering stuff just like this. You know what I'm saying? I actually have a product down below. You can actually check it out. It will show you how you can get the pre-written ads. It'll show you how to get free landing pages. And it will show you how to get a free email follow-up system. Because a lot of email follow-up systems you have to buy. And, of course, that's monthly fees that, especially starting off as a marketer, you probably really don't have. But this stuff over here, especially affiliate marketing, that's free. You don't have to pay nothing, you guys, to make that money in there. That's dope itself. But this is exactly how you're gonna make the money, man. We post ads to our social media. We get the leads. We get their information. We send it to a product, a high ticket converting product, a high ticket, not no $10, not no $25, $1,000 or more. But it could be anything, I'm just putting that in your head. It could be a lot, and then of course we follow up with them. People say this don't work. Amazon using it. The U.S. Postal Service using it. Who else? My favorite guru is using it, So this is what I use, and this is what a lot of marketers use, man. So only thing you got to do is just stay consistent. Now, if you want to get one of my products and one of my services to get all this stuff for a one-time fee, just check out the link below. Go through the information. Like I said, we don't charge you for no information. We definitely will share with you everything we got going. So hopefully y'all find value in this video, man. And you take this the ease, man. Get you some ads. Get on some social media sites. Get you a landing page. And get your email follow-up system with a great product. And just stay consistent. And you'll make, $100K in a year. It's possible. I see it done every day. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. And if you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.